at the weather. It's so dry, hot and humid.
Yeah, it hasn't rained in several weeks. And without rain, we cannot even plant plants.
You know guys, there's a shortage of water in Bangalore. How can we conserve water?
We can use CocoWing's to make a vertical garden.
CocoWing's eco-friendly jute planters allow a lot of space for roots to grow. Thus, we don't need to water the plants very often.
In cities like Bangalore, where space is constrained, CocoWing is a helpful product as it allows vertical gardening and it keeps the soil moist for a longer period of time. Introducing CocoWing! CocoWing is an eco-friendly gardening product which either comes in a special kit or it can be purchased separately.
Why use plastic pots when you can use eco-friendly jute planters? CocoWing's eco-friendly jute planters gives ample space to the roots to breathe.